Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove or change the home page in your Shopify store. If you want to hide your default home page or replace it with another page, this is a simple process. We will walk you through how to control what visitors see first when they arrive at your store. Let's get started. From your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store. Once you're inside Online Store, click Edit. Now, to remove the home page, we need to select the Home Page section. From here, if you want to remove it or hide it, you can either delete it or hide it. To hide it, simply click the eye icon. As you can see, the home page is now empty. You can also set another page to load first by selecting it here. This lets you choose which page visitors see first when they open your store. And that is all it takes to remove or hide the home page in Shopify.